ThyssenKrupp Steel AG. Headquartered in Duisburg, Germany, is one of the world's leading steel producers. Formed from the merger of Thyssen and Krupp in 1999, the company has a long-standing history dating back to the 19th century. Today, it operates as a key player in the global steel industry. Supplying high-quality steel products to various sectors including automotive, construction, and engineering. Product range. ThyssenKrupp Steel AG offers a diverse range of products. Two, heavy plate, used in construction and shipbuilding, known for its strength and durability. Three, precision steel, high-quality steel products tailored for specific engineering applications. Innovation and technology. Innovation is at the heart of ThyssenKrupp's operations. The company invests heavily in research and development to create advanced steel solutions that meet the evolving needs of its customers. This includes developing lightweight steel for automotive applications, which helps in reducing vehicle weight and improving fuel efficiency. ThyssenKrupp also focuses on sustainable technologies, aiming to reduce carbon emissions through innovative production processes. Sustainability and corporate responsibility. ThyssenKrupp Steel AG is committed to sustainability and corporate responsibility. The company has set ambitious targets to reduce its carbon footprint and enhance energy efficiency. It participates in various environmental initiatives and adheres to strict environmental regulations to minimize its impact on the planet. Global presence. With a robust global presence, ThyssenKrupp Steel AG serves customers worldwide. Its extensive distribution network ensures that it can deliver products efficiently to key markets across Europe, Asia, and the Americas. The company's ability to adapt to market demands and provide high-quality steel products has solidified its position as a leader in the steel industry. Conclusion. ThyssenKrupp Steel AG exemplifies industrial excellence, combining a rich historical legacy with cutting-edge innovation and a commitment to sustainability. As it continues to grow and evolve, the company remains a cornerstone of the global steel industry. Providing essential materials that drive progress in various sectors.